In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access security. Then hit app lock here and tap on enable. Following that, tap on lock screen password if you wish to use the same password for your app lock as you use for your device, or select custom PIN and create a unique PIN only for app lock. I will go with custom PIN because there is nothing to show in the lock screen password, you just have to click on it. Now create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then answer security question. If you don't like it, tap on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, click on the question, select custom question and create your own. Hit OK and remember to answer it correctly below. Then select finish. Now to lock any app, tap on the switcher next to it. Then go back. So when I try to access one of those apps, I can see that custom PIN is required. To disable app lock from any of those apps, go back to the same settings, enter your PIN or lock screen, and tap on the now blue switchers next to your apps. To disable app lock completely, use blue switcher at the top and hit disabled. Then enter your PIN on lock screen one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!